Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to delete your Reddit account if you are bored from Reddit, or if you want to create another account, or if you are just done with Reddit and you don't want to use it anymore. So at first you must open up Reddit via your computer. You can even do this from phone, but it's a really long process, and it's really simple on PC or your browser. So you go to your profile icon at the top right corner, and at the top you'll see user settings right here. You click on that, and after you scroll down a bit, you'll see delete account at red or orange color at the bottom. You click on that and they'll ask for your reason why you're leaving. You can enter that. It is optional. You can enter or you can not. It is up to you. And now you need to enter your username, what username you have kept on Reddit, and the password that you have entered on this account. After you have entered both of these, you click on I understand that deleted accounts aren't recoverable. What this means is that once you have clicked on delete, your account will not be recovered and you cannot recover your account ever again. So after you have set your mind up to delete your account, you click your username and your password, and this button will be orange again, the delete, and you click on delete. And if your username and passwords are right and correct, your account will be deleted, and this will pop up and you click on delete again, and your account will be deleted forever and it is not recoverable. So I believe I've taught you guys how to delete your account on Reddit, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.